Good morning, children. I am Sana Miss here. Hope you all are fine. Hope you all are doing all the work. Hoping so, we will move into the next lesson, 19th lesson. Listen to global warming. So, in this lesson, we are going to study the causes of global warming and the effects of global warming. How this is harming our earth. First, we will see what is global warming. The increase in the average temperature of the Earth's surface, air and oceans is known as global warming. That is, the temperature is there, an average temperature is there in our atmosphere. That is increasing day by day, so that the air around us, the oceans, all are getting heated up. So that is called the global warming. Next, we will see the causes of global warming. Burning of solid waste, wood and fossil fuels release greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. The greenhouse effect is a phenomenon where gases in our atmosphere trap heat from the sun and keep the earth warm. Another thing that makes global warming worse is when people cut down trees. Trees and other plants collect carbon dioxide, which is a greenhouse gas. Now, we will see, I told you the causes of global warming, that is burning of solid waste. Human activities, like we burn so many things in nature, all the solid waste, wood and fossil fuels. Fossil fuels are nothing but the coal and petroleum. So, all these, when they are burnt, carbon dioxide is released. This causes, this increase in carbon dioxide in the atmosphere causes the temperature to increase. That is why we call this global warming. The greenhouse effect means there are gases in the atmosphere. They will trap the heat from the sun and they will not allow them to escape into the space. They will be keeping the earth warm. So that is the greenhouse effect. Now, due to deforestation also, cutting down of trees also increases the amount of carbon dioxide, because carbon dioxide are fixed in the plants during photosynthesis. During photosynthesis, the plants will take up the carbon dioxide from nature for the food preparation. So, when trees are cut down, there are no leaves, so the carbon dioxide is increased in our nature. So, next we will see the effects of global warming. So, first one is spread of diseases. The increase in the average temperature of the earth's surface changes the climate. So, when the temperature is increased in our atmosphere, the climate will change. So, this will affect the occurrence and spread of diseases such as malaria, dengue fever, yellow fever and some forms of viral encephalitis, that is inflammation of the brain. You causes the fluid, a fluid fills the brain, that is encephalitis. So, all these diseases will increase due to the increase in the temperature of the atmosphere and the change in climate. Next one, warmer waters and more hurricanes. Hurricanes are nothing but storms. So, when the temperature of the oceans are increased, what will happen is there will be the probability of more frequent and stronger hurricanes. So, there are more hurricanes, stronger hurricanes are produced. Then next one is increased probability and intensity of droughts and heat waves. Although some areas of the earth will become wetter due to the global warming, other areas will suffer serious droughts and heat waves. That means when the temperature is increased, all the water will evaporate from the earth, causing the drought. So that also will cause a big danger to the earth. Next, the economic consequences. That means the spread of the diseases and more hurricanes are produced and drought. All these will affect the economy, world economy adversely. That means it will lead to financial crisis. When there is a spread of diseases, lot of people will die. It will affect the animals and the crops also. Same like that, when more hurricanes are there, when storms are there, the floods will bring, it will also destroy the life of many plants, animals as well as the human beings. And also the drought. When the drought is also increased, there won't be any rain, there is no water, again the crops will fail to develop and all the crops are destroyed. So all this will affect the financial of the world. So that is why we call it economic consequences. So there won't be money for anybody. Then next is polar ice caps melting. So we know that when the temperature is increased, the ice caps which are present on the top of the mountains will melt. We know that the ice and the snow are fresh water. So what happens when this will melt? They will finally come and join the sea. So when this fresh water comes and join the sea, this will desalinate the ocean. That means the salt content of the ocean will be destroyed. So what happens? The animals living in the sea will be destroyed because they won't be able to live in another water. They need salt water to live. So the plants and animals present in the marine habitat will be destroyed. The temperature rises and changing landscapes in the Arctic Circle will endanger several species of the animals. So because of all global warming, lot of it will change the climate and also affect all the living things in the world. So this is the effects of global warming. Okay children, hope you have understood this lesson about global warming. In the textbook there are no exercise given here, so I will give you few question and answers. So I will just listen to the video and you can take down these question and answers in the notebook. The first question is, name the greenhouse gas. It is carbon dioxide. Okay, I will repeat the question. Name the greenhouse gas. It is carbon dioxide. Next question. What is global warming? The increase in the average temperature of the Earth's surface, air and oceans is known as global warming. Next. Write the causes of global warming. Burning of solid waste, wood, fossil fuels and also deforestation causes the global warming. Next one is effects of global warming. So we know that spread of diseases, warmer water and more hurricanes, then intensity of droughts are increased, then polar ice cap melting. So these are the answers to this question. So these question answers you can take down in your GK notebook. Children, hope you all understood this. Have a nice day. Thank you.